Yeah,
Your thoughts?
obviously, a win would have been better, for us, for the fans. And yeah, it was a tough game. They are a good team. They were very disciplined defensively. Wasn't our best night with the ball. Pitch wasn't the best, but I'm not gonna stand here and find any excuses. We weren't sharp on the night for whatever reason. Second half I think was a little bit better. But yeah, we got to learn from this, and we have to start finding a way to win our home games. But nonetheless, we didn't play our best, but we still topped the group, so that's a positive.
And concern that two back-to-back draw now at home, the fans are a bit, and the head erectness. They come out in the numbers. They want to see goals. They want to see victory. What's your word? How you feel about that?
Always we want goals as much as the fans, but we have to figure it out. As I said before, the pitch is not the best, but both teams are playing on the pitch, and we're gonna have to find a way, whether it's adjusting our playing style or whatever it is. But this is our home, and we have to find a way to win home games, and hopefully we can figure that out sooner than later.
Alright, Blake, so you think that only because we needed a point, do you think that influenced our game plan today?
Maybe, maybe. I wanted to win, but again, it wasn't our sharpest, But for me, especially at home, we have to find ways to win games and start scoring goals. Because with the World Cup qualifiers coming up, you're gonna need to win home games, So it's good to kind of start building that momentum. And for me, I want to win every game, But unfortunately tonight we didn't score, and if you don't score, you can't win.
There's a nervousness playing at home here. I'm saying the last two results hasn't been what we would have wanted.
Yeah. It's not easy to play here, especially for the players that weren't born here. Again, the pitch is not the best, and maybe some players are just not used to it, so it's difficult. And that's why I said we're gonna have to figure out a way to find ways, whatever it takes, to win these games, because it's our home, and in our home you need to win, But again, pitch is not the best, but we can't use that as an excuse. Both teams are playing on it, and we're gonna have to figure it out and find a way.
All right, Blakey, another man of the match performance again. You keep on pulling these off. At some point, do you feel overwhelmed that it often seems like you have to be the one pulling the points out?
No, it's my job. Obviously, you'd probably rather not be too busy, But as the last line of defense, even when my team is not playing the best, I have to make sure I have the coolest head on the pitch, because if they don't score, we can't lose, And that's my job, to stop them from scoring, whether it's 5 shots or 15 shots. Obviously, you would not want 15 shots, but if you're saving all of them, then it's not too bad, But I have to do my job and then allow everybody else to do the same.
But even more than just making saves, you've been dictating the play from the back. You've been handling the ball. We've seen you close to your half line, leading and orchestrating and dictating play from the back, which is relatively new for you. Speak to us about that element of your game.
Yeah, we have a new playing style which I'm enjoying very much. I love playing with the ball, and coach wants us to play, So I'm just enjoying my game right now, having fun and doing my best.
Does it get nerve-wracking?
No. I mean, you have to be brave, and I want to be the best I can be possible, So I have to challenge myself. In training, it's tough, in the games. It's going to be a little bit of nerves to start, but once you get into the game, apply yourself and know that you did the work in training, you have nothing to worry about.
All right, good game again, Skipper.
Encouragement